Hey friends, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. I've got visitors. Hey, be quiet, I'm talking to my friends. All right, that's Ellie Mae. She's waiting on visitors. She knows that her brother next door, Harley's coming to visit. All right, guys, I'm so excited to be home. We're making something delicious. If this sounds good, give me some hearts right now. Share this video. Steak, cheese, fried shell. I mean, who doesn't love steak and cheese? Guys, we are making an amazing steak and cheese quesadilla. I love these low carb quesadilla wraps. It's the La Bandera. Now, I don't use them all the time because you guys know if you follow my page, I really like to eat as clean as possible most days. But on a day like today where I'm like, you know what? I got PMS. Like I'm craving something fried and I'm craving something greasy. And I decided I want a fajita steak and cheese quesadilla. I mean, that is going to absolutely make me feel amazing, right? So we're going to use the La Bandera low carb tortillas. It actually says 0 net carbs, and that's why I don't like them, because anything processed and packaged, guys, is not the greatest choice for you. But you know what? It's okay to choose these every once in a while. And if you're just starting your journey, you can eat them every single day and see fat loss. But for me, who's maintaining weight, it really is important for me to eat as clean as possible. Guys, again, steak, cheese, fried shell. Give me some hearts. Share this video. Let's get started. I'm fixing to go over my fajita seasoning. Guess what? You don't have to memorize it, because if you want the recipe is in the link that's in this live video. You can grab it as soon as I finish up. It is delicious. It's a homemade fajita seasoning. My mother-in-law actually shared this with me. I'm going to tell you what's in it, but it's in the link, so don't try to remember. We've got a tablespoon of paprika. Look, paprika, chili powder, cumin powder, and oregano. So a tablespoon of those. Then we've got a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. So you just mix those together for a delicious fajita seasoning. My mother-in-law uses it. She showed it to me. It's absolutely amazing. And you can make your own fajita seasoning, your own taco seasoning, your own ranch seasoning. You can do anything you want to yourself and actually watch those carbs go down, because we didn't put sugar in there, right? All right, so we seasoned our steak. What I did was took some thin sliced steak, or thin steak. I cut it into thin strips, and we put it in a Ziploc bag with avocado oil or olive oil. Doesn't matter, you can use either one. We cooked that steak up on a skillet, guys. All we did was season with that in a Ziploc bag for about 30 minutes or so, and then we put that into the skillet, and we just cooked it. It already had oil in it, so it's not going to stick at all. Now we are going to put that chicken that is seasoned inside our quesadilla shells. Can y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can see this. Yeah, you can see this. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 quesadillas at a time. I like to make these piping hot when I cook them. So you can put as much steak in here as you want to. Now, a lot of people ask me, why are you not putting onions in there? If you want to, go ahead. When I'm cooking this, I keep it as simple as possible. And this delicious seasoning with this steak and cheese is all you need to have a delicious dinner. So we're just going to fold that up, and we're going to have our first quesadilla ready in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and make my second one. Guys, if you love these low carb or 0 carb tortillas, I would love to know in the comments. This is the La Bandera brand. I really, really like them. You can cook as many or as little or as few of these as you want to. A lot of people say, I don't know how to cook just for 1 or 2 people. Guys, you can cook the steak up and then have this for leftovers, for lunch, or even dinner, another day during the week. You know what else? If you fix up this steak with that fajita seasoning, you can later use that same steak to stuff bell peppers. Yes. So I'm just using a Fiesta blend cheese here. You can use whatever cheese you want to. But yeah, think about that. A Fiesta stuffed bell pepper. Yum. I just come up with that. All right, let me get a skillet. A spatula. Oh, yep, I got one cleaner here. There's my spatula. I don't know where my big fat spatula is. All right, we're just going to press this down as thin as we can make it. You can stuff it with as much as you want. Guess what else is delicious in this? If you don't want to do steak, you can do chicken. You can also do shrimp. Like, this fajita seasoning is delicious on all of those proteins. So guys, as you're jumping on, let me know where you're watching from. Hey, Sandra, the wedding date. Okay, so if you guys didn't catch it, last night I let you guys know that my son is getting married. This is his wedding week, and my son and his fiance did not want a wedding. So instead, we did a celebration dinner last night. It was delicious and a lot of fun, and we got to enjoy each other, and they got a few gifts, and then they are leaving out for a big trip. So they don't want me to give a lot of details. I'll tell you about it when they get home because they're very private. So I don't talk about my son a whole lot on social media, but that's why. It's just he's private, and that's okay. I respect him very much, and I love him very, very much. And his fiance is the sweetest little thing. She's the cutest little thing. If you guys saw her picture today, I posted it today. And I got some really cute pictures of them last night. And on their big trip, because they're going on a trip, they're going to be taking pictures. And I can't wait to see them. And I can't wait to share a little bit about it with you guys. So look at that. I mean, does that not look delicious? We've got the fried shell. We got the steak and we got the cheese. Steak, chicken. Steak, cheese, quesadillas. It has been a Monday and I am tired. All right, so guys, what are you doing for dinner tonight that's low carb or keto friendly? I would love to know what you're cooking for dinner tonight. Are you cooking or are you eating out? And when I say eating out, that means restaurant or takeout. A lot of people feel like you absolutely cannot do low carb takeout, and you can. It's just not the best option. You guys know when I do takeout, I primarily will eat salads, and you even have to be careful with that. Or I'll do wings without bread, so like traditional wings. But eating out is okay. You just don't want to do it all the time. You really want to find really good recipes that you can cook very fast and easy. And guys, if you don't have my recipe blog, say recipes, and I'll be glad to share all of my recipes with you for free because I love to help people. All right. Ooh, this is looking good. This is looking good. My husband said he was ready to eat. My mom should be here any second. I can't wait to show you what she made me. She made the most beautiful, the most beautiful reef that's not going to fit on my door. It's way too big to put on my door. So we're going to hang it on my wall. And guys, I cannot wait to show you. My mom is so talented. She is so talented. She loves flowers. She loves to make flower arrangements. Oh man, this is going to be good, y'all. This is going to be good. I'm excited to show this to my mom. She's going to like these steaks. Ricky, two's ready. Now, you guys know if you follow my page, this back skillet, this back eye, it gets so hot. So I'm going to pull this off the heat just a second, put a little bit more avocado oil in there because I like to brown that quesadilla. And then we're going to put 2 more on there. So I can't wait for her to walk in. You've got to see this reef. It is just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so guys, I'm waiting to see what you are doing for dinner tonight that's low carb or keto friendly. Oh yeah, I see your request for recipes. Susan, I can't wait to share them with you. No, it's Jennifer. No, it's Susan. Susan, I thought you had my recipes. Hey Jennifer, how are you? Jennifer Henson. Doing lettuce boats. Ooh, egg salad lettuce boats. That sounds great. All right, I'm sorry. I'm trying to pull these quesadillas apart. Or these tortillas apart. One of them just ripped. They're ripping on me. You can't have a hole in a quesadilla. That will not go over very well. All right, here we go. Here's the second one. Here's the second plate. I like for these to be hot, so they better hurry up and get over here. All right, I'm just filling it up with the steak. No, a little bit. Hush, or you're going to get spanking. I'm going to get spanking. Nope. We got steak. I'm going to fill it with some cheese and fry it up. Steak, cheese, and fried shell. Yum, yum, yum. I guess you're going to get spanking, boy. You're going to get spanking. You better hush. Dang, that's hot. More cheese, the better as far as I'm concerned. I love cheese. I put a little bit of oil in my skillet just because I like to see like that brown burn. Like I want to really fry it up good. So I put just a little drizzle of avocado oil or olive oil, either one you want. I usually use avocado because I like it better. And avocado oil is actually made to get hot. Olive oil is not really made to get hot. All right, whoop, 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 making a mess over there. No, y'all hush, you get in trouble. Where's your daddy? I told him to come eat. Where's your daddy? Go get your daddy. Go get daddy. A little bit. Ricky's having to let water out of my spa outside. We have to get our deck redone. Not really redone, but yeah, it's got to have some more support. Okay, I got to put this back on the heat. Let me call Ricky real fast. It's ready, baby. Leave on the phone, please. I got Ricky 2 fat steak quesadillas. Let me show you what they look like just in case you're just hopping on. Oh, look at that. The steak and the cheese. Look how fat that is. Now, you can make it fatter if you want to. You can put as much in there as you want to. Steak and cheese quesadillas. Guys, give me some hearts if that looks delicious. And here comes my mom. I can't wait to show you what she made me. The dogs didn't even see her coming. I think I saw her. I may be crazy myself. I thought I saw her. I might just be crazy. All right. Simple Monday tuna on low-carb tortillas with spinach. That sounds delicious, and I love simple. Simple is always the best. All right, so we got egg salad on lettuce boats. We've got a Simple Monday tuna on low-carb tortillas with spinach. What else y'all got? What are you doing for dinner tonight that's low-carb and keto friendly? Oh, Cindy's making a breakfast casserole. Here she comes. Here she comes. I can't wait to show you this. Sorry, you have to excuse the dogs. Excuse the dogs, but I can't wait to show you what she's got. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I just told them I can't wait to show them what you made me. All right, here she comes, friends. Hang on. Yep, I just licked my fingers and it's my mom's. It'll be all right. All right, show them, Mom. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, I got turned around. She looked at my nose. Y'all looked at my nose instead. Look at that, y'all. She's still playing with it.
Well,
hang on, man. I'm going to get her to hold it still so y'all can see. It is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Guys, if my mom is talented, if you believe it, give me some hearts and share this video. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah, those are hanging off the side over there.
I know. I've got to
She has a reef rack. Well, she has a reef rack at home, and she just makes all kinds of beautiful things. Isn't that beautiful? I cannot wait. That was supposed to go on a door. I told Mom, I was like, I don't think that's going to fit on the door. It's huge.
Carried away.
Getting tons of hearts. Tons of hearts. All right. It's so beautiful. My mom is so talented. I love all the things that she makes us and the family. She loves to decorate her own house. And I love to decorate, but I hate putting the stuff away. So I do it as minimal as possible. Dang, I keep dropping this piece of steak out of here. All right, Mom. Perfect time. And give me a plate. Give me a plate for your
plate.
Yep.
Paper plate?
I'm out of paper plates.
Oh my gosh,
And
you're
I keep,
crazy.
I know,
You should
I
show me.
I keep forgetting to buy some. Hang on, actually, I want to get this little browner. Get that little browner. All right, guys, we're going to jump off so we can enjoy dinner together. I hope that you have a great night. If I can do anything to help you, please make sure you reach out. Yes, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They are so beautiful, isn't it? I can't wait to find a place on my wall because it will not go on the door. But we're going to find a place somewhere in my house because we have Thanksgiving in my house. And we're having actually a party this weekend in my house. So I want to make sure that we get to show it off to all of our family and friends. All right, guys, y'all have a great night. If I can help you with anything, just let me know. You guys enjoy this. The link is in the post. As soon as I finish this live video, grab it and cook you some steak quesadillas. All right, guys, bye.